Hello and welcome to this little demonstration video where I will show you how to use a Enso SodaStream machine. If you have another SodaStream, it's probably pretty much the same system, so no worries. First thing I would like you to know, because maybe you are considering buying it, maybe you have bought it and just want to see how it works. But notice there's no cord. It works without cord. It comes from the SodaStream itself that makes the machine works. Also, if you're very nervous about, not nervous, but worried about, is it easy to use and so on, and especially for the first time, you know how it is with stuff first time, then it comes with this fantastic picture, and on the other side there is a very easy explanation. I think if you use the QR code here as well, they might have another demonstration video, probably not as good as mine, but a demonstration video that is. So what you got here is the machine, and you need to prepare. You probably received this one. It has just a small plastic thing. I have already opened it, but I've just put the cap on here to show that you need to take it off. So this is where we start. There's a small drip bay tray here that you need to use as well, or it's practical to use. You don't need to do it, but it's a good idea. And there's a bottle of water. The bottle of water, for your own sake, use the fridge and get it cold water in. And then you see here, it goes up to the line, no more than that. And that's how it works. When you use this SodaStream, this is the one that gives all the sparkling water, or adds the sparkling. I don't know if it's just air or what it is, but it works, and it works great. Then you just open here. So what I did here was, this is the locking mechanism here. So now I can open this one. Okay, and I put this down and just hold it, and I close it again. So what happens here when I start closing it here is follow the bottle here. So what happens here is that it lifts up. Okay, so, and this is where it connects to the system. So now it is locked. That's how it is. So, and here, now it goes to the other side again. We have the bottle, and just unbottle it here and put the cap away, and we put it in here. Here's the thing that I don't know. I always turn it around, but I don't know if it's necessary. But you can just do like this. Oh, try again. So what we do here is we do like this, and here it locks, so it just stays here. And then I just do it like this, but I don't know if that's necessary. Okay, so what you do to get sparkling water is this button. It says, the manual says, push it for 1 second, 3 to 5 times. So we do that. Maybe see it working. And let's go crazy, take 4 times. Okay, so now we're done. Oh, you can hear it. It's a sparkling. You can see the sparkling coming up. Okay, so now we got sparkling water, and it's great. I've tasted it. Awesome. But also this, the machine comes and you can get different kind of taste to it. So here we have different kind of flavors you can put into it. You have Lipton iced tea, peach iced tea, very good. And you have the tropical guava. I think I pronounce that pretty good. Not sure it's the way it's supposed to pronounce, but really good way. Guava. This is an energy drink. This is also an energy drink. It's already open, so I'll just show you how to do it here because it's super simple. Because it was like when I get it wet, how do I use it? So what we do here is there's this little kind of holder. The cap is also a holder. So you take like you. I think you're meant to maybe fill it up to full, but I think the taste gets too strong, so only pour up to like halfway. So you go here, and then you actually just pour it in. So here you see, now you've got some kind of SodaStream, right? Like a real SodaStream, not just sparkling water. Sparkling water is good in itself. So, and then you take the cap and you put it on here, and then you just shake it lightly, very lightly, like this or something. It mixes from itself, but it says that it's a good idea to shake it, so I do that. So it's good. It's good. So you should go with this. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So I've been cheating. Yes, it was just behind the box, if you didn't notice. So here it is. So cheers. And it's good. My big issue here was that this is the energy drink, right? And I just tested it on my kids, and I didn't know it was an energy drink. So I need to drink a lot of these to keep up with my kids all night. That's how it is. So, but they were really happy. They liked it as well. They liked it as well a lot. So, a few things about why to buy this and why not to buy this machine. First of all, it's awesome. I tried a lot of different SodaStreams, and they're like, it's a shit. It is. It's good. It's both functionally good and design-wise. I would say like it's the sparkling water's answer to KitchenAid is in making doughs and that kind of stuff. So nice one. One small, I wouldn't say annoying thing, but something you should be aware of is that this machine comes with a cleaning cloth. I'll just find it here. Actually, really nice. Little cleaning cloth that it comes with, and it tends to. It might be me who has a lot of fat on my hands or oil or something like that. I don't know, but if you look here, you can actually see that it's very fast that it needs some kind of cleaning. It's that's it, right? So it's not like it's a big issue, but it is an issue, of course. So, but I kind of think like if you want the high-end stuff, this is the one. If you want the discount models, you can find cheaper. No doubt about it. With pretty much same effect. We have tried cheaper ones, and I would say in this kind of machines you also need to be aware that some of them are there are more faults to them than in other types of machines. It's my experience, where also the bottles needs to hold water, and I don't know why it's difficult, this stuff, but apparently there are issues, and there's no issues on this SodaStream, and I think that's one of the things you also buy when you're paying maybe 25%, 30% more than the cheaper models. But if you're on a low budget, go for a cheaper one. This one is quality and it's good. So I would recommend this one for most people because it's not that much more expensive than other machines. That's just for budget level or lower budget. So thanks for watching. Take care, and remember we also had the unboxing part for the Enso, but you probably already seen that one. So but otherwise, take a look at that one as well. Goodbye.